Your weekend gardener here. Snowing today. Today is day 5 of my delivery, and well, not day 5 of my delivery, but day 5 of them working on my backyard. So the guy is here with the truck, and we're gonna see if he can get them back here.
Yeah, if we can move that one, that'll definitely break that.
Okay, I got that. How you doing, man?
Pretty good of herself.
All right.
Straight in there. That's gonna be a little tight. I mean, I can. Well, you can get it back. I should be able to get it in there. I really won't be able to go with that, but back in here. I say it's 8.6, so it should.
Yeah, this is solid here, so you good. It's just that part I was worried about.
Yeah, I was gonna say there's nothing running under the ground anywhere over here, is it?
No,
Pipes or
no.
anything?
Nah, all my stuff is like right here.
Okay. I just like to make sure because it's a lot of weight, man. It don't look like it, but it's 25,000 pounds between the two of them.
I know you told me a number, but I'm so sleepy, I forgot what you said.
Yeah, you good, man. Yeah, if y'all just want to move that, if y'all can move that orange truck, I should be good.
Okay.
Good from there.
All right.
I didn't think we were actually going to get any
Yeah.
weather today, but
Yeah, it's coming on down.
All right.
definitely isn't going to stick.
Okay, so 25,000 pounds. That's a lot of truck. So I got to move everything. He's looking good so far? Is you think he looking good? Okay.
As I say, don't get this log out the way.
Yeah, I get it. Ooh, the log was heavy.
Yeah, you good. You good.
Good to dump there?
Yeah, good. So you really need time to get over here no more.
Yeah, I was going to say it's going to be kind of hard to get as long as everything is.
I mean, you got room, but I mean, you know, I don't know.
This you th
Once you get out,
this should
yeah. It was,
I was going to say, how close was it to that fence? Pretty close.
yeah.
I was saying, because you got like,
Yeah, I had a couple inches on this side.
so
So.
if you go out that way to your right, you know, once you come up
Yeah, I
and go
can
to your right,
try to see if I can get it
Yeah.
a little bit more.
you should be able to.
Just keep an eye on
Yeah,
this side.
I got you.
You got that side of it.
Try to make it a little easier on you.
I appreciate it, man. Now they're younger than used to be.
So what do you think about the amount of dirt?
I think you'll be so.
Okay.
Real close.
Well, no, he got it a little bit more.
You got this side?
Yeah. Okay, he's going on my side.
Oh, yeah. What? Yeah, he'll be all right.
Yeah, because all you got to do is just move it that way, right?
Starting to come down now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a few hours, but it's only supposed to be like 37, so it ain't gonna do anything.
Yeah, some guy's trying to pay me. He wants me to go to New Jersey, but he said Monday night from 4 to 9 o'clock Tuesday morning he's gonna pay me $2,000 cash to plow Walmart. So
Okay.
I'm thinking about it. It's a long drive, but that's some good money too. So.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I had a buddy just came from Jersey. I think it was snowing. That was 2 days ago, I think.
They had a big storm coming across the United States from out west.
Yeah. So we're at the 5th day, and this is 5 tons of dirt. It looks like it'll cover like half. Because he was initially saying he may need 3 loads.
Well, we'll see how this one turn out.
And this is the color I was telling you about, of the free stuff.
Oh, okay.
That orangey kind of.
Some of that orange color.
Well, it's kind of orangey, I guess.
Yeah, but the orange is like clay does.
Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying, yeah.
You know what I mean? And it's cakey. But this is good though.
Okay.
Especially, you know, we roll it over here. That's what makes it really good.
And where he was saying if I get more loads, he'll give me a discount on the next few, if he got to do more. And then he said he could possibly even come back today, but I don't know. It's no biggie because I'm almost certain you ain't doing anything today anyway.
I don't know. I got one thing I was working on, so we'll see what's going to happen with this little ice come down.
It's only supposed to be for a few hours. Yeah, that's 3 loads. So what do you think?
Yeah, we're going to need.
I mean, let me know if you need him to bring more.
Yeah, I know we're going to need more for this.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know if he's going to bring it to you today or not.
Well, we talk to him, and then you let me know what's good for you.
Yeah, I'll be probably over this tomorrow. I think I'm going to go look at something at Home Depot.
So what?
Probably pictures, but
Okay.
you know what I mean?
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Because I got to pack it anyway. You know what I mean? It needs to be packed.
Well, you let me know. You let me know, and I guess he'll give me a price.
Okay. I mean, if he come in today with another one, he can just put it right in there.
Yeah.
You know, so.
Well, if he comes back today, I might be asleep. He may have. He called me.
If you tell me, you know what's up, I'll meet him here.
All right. Well, you talk to him. You let him know how much more you need. Because, you know what I mean, this is all Greek to me.
Right now it is anyway. It ain't no learning no whole lot of anything right now.
Yeah.
You got to sleep on the brain. I work like that when I get to where you are now. I be doing things twice.
Well, I couldn't sleep last night. I had insomnia before work, so I couldn't. It didn't work.
I'm not sure what he's going to end up doing. But I know we're going to need another load, though.
Okay. Y'all want another load today?
If you can put it like right up in there.
Front of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say I can probably get it to, start dumping it there, and then you see how it spreads out.
Yeah.
So we go up a little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, they're open till 1, so I can run down and get another load.
If you did, what time did you think you'll be coming back this way with it?
I can run straight there. I think it's like 25 or 30 minutes to get here from there. So you figure a half hour there, half hour back, it's another hour. I don't know what time.
That's good time.
It should be 11:30, 11:15.
About 12:30, 1
I was 12.
12:45, somewhere around
You mind taking my number and call me when you on your way down?
Yeah, I
the road,
can do
and
that.
I can meet you
Okay.
because my brother here a little tired. He was probably done knocked out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know who was I talking to about the price. So I'll just do the 200 for the first one, and then whatever. If you get more than the other one too, I'll just do each. The next one for 130. That way, I'm not charging.
Garden. Day 6. Oh, just working. What's going on? Yeah, just working. You know how I do. And you sure this is enough?
I'm looking at it now.
I'm thinking 2 more loads.
I'm thinking how to go too because we got to get about 6 inches up plus it's packed.
How you going up with it?
About 6 inches.
You're not putting topsoil down on top of it.
Nah. I'm gonna put you see that weed berry that's around that tank? That's what I'm gonna put down. And then I'm thinking about either patio pavers, not pavers, but the little white rocks. Yeah, lava rocks. And then another thing I was thinking, all them pavers at Mom's house. Yeah, you might as well bring them here. I can use them because when I was sleeping. I said, hold on a second. She got all those patio pavers just sitting there. So what I can do is I can actually make a pathway and put a square in the middle, and that'll be my little area I can sit. Those 2 chairs I have in front. There. Coming now? Okay. I get it.
I know you probably don't mind spending the money, man, but that's that,
You can spend the money somewhere else.
Yeah.
Yeah, no worries.
You can find something else and that.
All right, you want me to call the guy and get 2 more loads up?
Yeah, don't call him today, though. Tell him to bring him tomorrow evening. Because I want to pack what's here, and then I'll put all down and pack that too.
All right, he might give me a discount since I keep ordering from him.
Yeah,
That second load he gave me a nice discount.
Let's get this down and pack it real good in the corners and stuff like that.
Okay.
And if I can, what would that work? It's usually packed when it's real thin like this.
Yeah. If you bring in more guys, from what he's done so far, this will get it'll move kind of quick.
It moves kind of quick.
Yeah.
Oh, the one way work, John. Steady pace.
Yeah, exactly. You don't kill yourself. Steady pace. Okay. All right.
I just didn't want to,
Yeah.
but as the break go on, ain't no big.
Yeah. It's a marathon, not a race. All right, so you want me to just let them know that we need some loads tomorrow?
Probably tomorrow evening.
Tomorrow evening.
We got rain coming.
Okay.
Hit the weather thing and see what we got on the weather. And then we'll know.